14 ways to make money online right now. Want to make money during the coronavirus pandemic without having to leave your house? Or do you want to learn how to make money online so you can finance your travels once the coronavirus has passed? Read on for 14 ways to make money online. If you want to live in a foreign country someday, just want to work from home in the current coronavirus world, or want to restructure your career to be able to work remotely forever. Number 1. Offer your photographs for sale. Are you a photographer, or do you live in a place where pictures are in high demand? Photographers can upload their photographs to any of a variety of massive databases, making them available for purchase by magazine editors, designers, and any other organization with a website. The beauty of stock websites is that photos can be sold several times, allowing you to earn money without exerting any effort. Shutterstock, PhotoShelter, and Getty Images are some of the best photography places to visit. Number 2. Make instructional videos. According to International Living, in recent years, YouTube has grown into the go-to source for all manner of video courses and guides. Instructors can monetize their videos by charging a subscription fee or password-protecting content for paying customers only. Another piece of advice from International Living is to become familiar with the phrases that people use to search. Start typing "how to" your topic into YouTube's search bar and see what phrases appear in the autofill dropdown. When writing your video title, definition, and tags, make sure to use the same keywords. Number 3. Make a living as a copywriter. Want to make a good living regardless of where you live? A beach house in Latin America, a historic European city, or even a Greek island? You may be a good choice for copywriting. Copywriting is a mega industry ripe with opportunity and yearning for people who can fuel it with fresh marketing messages. And one of the best benefits of the freelance copywriter's lifestyle is that you get paid in US dollars, yet live virtually anywhere in the world, according to International Living. Express Writers provides advice on how to become a copywriter as well as job listings. Number 4. Teach English to children. If you're a native English speaker, you may not realize it, but you already have the number 1 qualification you need for a fun, portable income that can hand you a steady paycheck from anywhere in the world, says International Living. GoOverseas.com, Teachaway, teach English online to Chinese students. iTutor Group, teach English online to Taiwanese students and adults. And English Hunt are some of the tools available to teach English on the phone to adult students in Korea. Number 5. Turn your passions to a profitable podcast. According to International Living, podcasting doesn't have to be complicated. You'll be up and running in no time with a microphone, a laptop, and some free recording tools. Plus, podcasts don't have to be broadcasted every day. Once a week is ideal and are more effective when they're brief. A podcast can be used to earn money in a variety of ways. Commercial sponsorship is the most apparent, but you may also use it to promote your own goods or services. Number 6. Establish a content and web development company. Do you know how to create websites and content? These services can be offered to anyone using online resources that make designing beautiful websites a breeze. WordPress, Weebly, and Joomla are only a few examples. Number 7. Learn how to work as a translator and interpreter. There will be a need for interpreting and translation services anywhere there are expat communities, and English is not the first language. Online translation and interpretation are also available. Number 8. Consider dropshipping. Do you know what dropshipping is? It's a form of retailing in which the seller doesn't have any physical inventory. Instead, you buy the item from a third party and get it delivered directly to the consumer when a customer places an order. This approach can be used for online marketplaces such as eBay or Amazon. Number 9. How to work as a freelance proofreader. Another lucrative online work is proofreading. Most agencies will pay around 25% of the price of a translated document to a proofreader, International Living advises. Agencies charge about $75 for the translation of a 5-page standard business document. So proofing the same document, which takes about an hour, pays out about $18 to $20. You can work full-time, part-time, or 24 hours a day. Tips on how to become a proofreader can be found on Media Bistro, a website that provides tools for media professionals. Number 10, become a transcriber. Are you a typist who can type quickly? It's easy to transcribe. Using headphones, listen to an audio file, and write it out. As a transcriber, your pay is directly related to how fast you type, International Living advises. The average transcriber can complete one audio file in 4 hours of work, typing between 75 and 100 words per minute. Consider the transcribing business Rev.com, which hires freelancers. Number 11, create a profitable blog. If you have a specialization, write a blog post on your advice. Consider what you have to give if travel is your area of expertise. Are you a specialist in high-end or low-cost travel? Can you give suggestions for those events, such as hiking or shopping? The more specific you get, the easier it'll be to attract an engaged audience and to earn money with your site, International Living advises. Squarespace and Wix are two websites that provide advice on how to start a blog and can also host them. Number 12, become a part of the ebook industry. The ebook industry is a lucrative market. You should make one for yourself. Kindle has a guide how to do it. Alternatively, find a book that has already been published in print and license it for online publication. You may give the author a one-time payment for the online publishing rights or 8 to 15% royalty based on net sales. Number 13, create an online course. Build an entire online course with lectures, PDF downloads, and videos instead of just an ebook. People can pay for the information and can go at their own speed or ask questions about the course in a dedicated community, making it a perfect way to generate passive income. LearnWorlds, which allows everyone to benefit from their knowledge and expertise by developing an online curriculum, is one resource for creating and selling online courses. Number 14, make a career as a life coach or even a travel coach. Life coaching is a thought-provoking and creative process that helps people focus on both personal and professional goals, International Living advises. People use life coaching to overcome fears, boost their self-confidence, create goals, and instill success-oriented habits. There are thousands of online life coaching training programs available, and several certification programs have a full website set up once the training is completed. You can also become a travel coach if you have a passion for travel. If you want to know more financial tips like these, make sure to give this video a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.